My name is Arya. It is a Shape Your English. Replace it. It's called a Replace It episode, where we're going to be replacing common basic English words. Guys, it is time to make a difference, and it's time to level up your English. And this episode, we're going to be replacing the word said. He said this, and said? Are you kidding me? Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to replace said, I'm going to mention 4 words, okay? And I'm going to go through them one by one, and I might throw in an example here and there. But keep your ears sharp, because you will need those ears to listen up. Don't speak, listen. The first word to replace said is argued. Argued. Now you might think argued means to yap and yammer with a person. No, it's not fighting, it's not arguing. I argue. I argue is the replacement for said. For example, I need my boss's help regarding something. Besides going up to him and saying, hey, you know, Jimmy in finance said that, no. Jimmy and finance argued that if we don't pump our numbers up and have a greater price point, we're gonna go out of business. He argued this, and I just wanted to bring this to you. This is the popularity of the word argue. That's why you should use it from now on. Alright guys, let's get into the quiz. Second one, I commented. Let's replace it with said. Now I want to quickly go on to the example on this one. I see a pretty girl and I go and tell her, wow, beautiful, chica. Then she goes and brings her boyfriend. The boyfriend says, hey, did you just flirt with my girl and say she's beautiful? And besides me saying, no, I didn't say that. What I said, you see, no, you're gonna be a man. You're gonna puff up that chest and be like, I simply just commented on the way she dressed. And it just like simply just changes your accent by saying commented rather than said. Commented? Use this word because it's popular. Yes, it is. Replace it. Guys, you want to get fancier than that? You want to get fancier than what I just did? I don't think you can handle it. Basically declared. I declare. Declared. So, again, we go into examples because these are all synonyms of said. So where can we use declared? As an example, let's say I'm in a business meeting, okay? But no one has any good ideas. So I sit there, fingers like this. I declare that dealing with Nike is a better choice for our business rather than dealing with Adidas. Use I declare, for goodness friggin' suck. Get rid of said and use declared because it's super popular, as you can see. Let's get into the quiz. And lastly, you've been waiting for it. I suggested. We go to a certain place with a bunch of friends, and plans don't go so well. Things like completely shatter off. Very boring day. Terrible. Anyways, one of the guys says, who even said to do this plan? And I don't say said. I just basically said to you guys, let's go to the mall, and you guys just say I suggested the plan to go to the mall and enjoy a nice cup of tea together and act all British and English like. Suggested. The popularity of the word. Oof, so popular. Let's use it, guys. Destroy it! Argued, suggested, declared, and commented. So guys, I hope you got that ingrained in yourself consciously during your day-to-day life. I just beg of you, please, just try to make the effort to replace them, and just try. Anyways, let's go. Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.